Hi guys, it's Kali.
Hello, it's Paul. Today we're gonna show you the steps in modifying and sorting queries. Let's go! So this is the query that we're gonna set as an example. First we click view and click design view, and the grid will appear. Tapos to sort the table, you can choose either ascending or descending. So, ito pipiliin natin, descending. Tapos, click run. Tapos, ito na yung magpa-pop up, Z to A, kasi descending. Okay. Tapos, next, to unhide and hide fields, we're gonna go back to design view again, and just click this check mark to uncheck. So, and click run. And wala na, magic. Tapos, unhide, ganun lang ulit. Punta ka sa design view and click run. Nandyan na ulit. Diba? Magic. Tapos, design view and criteria. Pili ka kung ano yung gusto mo. Tapos, run. Yan, female. Tapos na.
That's all. Thank you for watching.
Yes. I hope you learned something from us.
Yes.
Yes. Please like and subscribe. Click the like button.